National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Adams, Cumberland, and York, effective until 2:58 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College, PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, central Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aspers, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, Boiling Springs, Dillsburg, Lake Mead, Mount Holly Springs, Shiremanstown, New Kingstown, Cashtown, Aspers, Siddonsburg, Hogstown, Pine Grove Furnace, Worksville, Biglerville, Aaronsville, York Springs, Heidlersburg, Vandersville, and Franklintown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2269, Interstate 81 from mile markers 46 to 58. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,